ki khubor ka batisi TV. Lawan ra ashapi dak Orange Nissan Looms Hope Ho near Fabricate Shillong, ringkat bat ka M Crown Hotel Kandailat Shillong, ka Three Olives Restaurant, bala play nakbantaban Shakriya P, hapo ka Jingkiewdor jong ka Bio Bubble Antivirus Coating, ringkat ka Cosmic Kingdom, ka Jakai Lekai Bapaw ha Shillong, bala yada na ka Bio Bubble Antivirus Coating, bala le da ka Meva Enterprise.
Nong yalam jong kaliang persya u Dr. Mukul Sangah, hagasngi baar jong ka arterik urempang arjar arpuway, ula Sangah teng ya ka Sorkar jelna Halor ka Jingkiewdor syabapalat jong ka Petrol, ka balapoy mentas ka khandai puway tingka, kat hadu bakala penlong ya ki kali kamay, ban persya ya ka Sorkar jelna, da ka bakhot penlong ya ka jingsange kamay ka baklemput sngi, ka ban sedang, nado ka laiterik ubnay rempang arjar arpuway. Habaya keren bat kilat pathai khubor u Dr. Mukul Sangah ulaong bakane ka Jingkiewdor jong ka Sorkar ya ka Petrol kalong kumbakhlong ya ka pisa na ka pelayarong jong upajba da ka bapendon kam ya ka linti jong ka an.
See, I think we have been very blunt and clear in our stand. How do you look at this ever increasing price? It's for the people to watch and also react. In as far as the political party is concerned, we have expressed our anguish and have pointed fingers at the government of the day. Now you look at the money which is going as in addition to the actual price is the highest in the world, 69%. 69% total. The cumulative tax which is being paid by everyone who is buying petrol or diesel, it's around 69%, around close to 70%. It's not heard in this whole world. Now, it's another way of taking money from your pocket. It's another way of putting a legal system to have I must say, it's a legal extortion. It's a legal extortion. You are not looking at the ramification. Every item that is being used by the poor and the middle class family, you look at the price rise, the resultant collateral effect due to the rise in petroleum and diesel prices. Everything that you buy today, the price of last year and the price of this year, there is a natural collateral impact on the pricing of every commodity that you buy. And at the same time, please remember that this country today is self-sufficient in our agricultural produce. We are happy for that to a great extent. And particularly this year, the harvest has been very good. But every farmer is using a mechanized farming, and every farmers are not dependent on the traditional mode of cultivation which was dependent on cattle. It is completely on power tillers, on tractors, meaning mechanized farming where you require diesel, you require petrol, you need to irrigate. So you look at the kind of burden that has been passed on to the farmers who are the backbone of our economy. And if this is not understood by the policymakers, then you should say that it's not because they don't know, it's because they don't have the kind of empathy towards this particular community who contributes massively to the GDP of this nation. And I hope they realize sooner than later and take corrective measures. There is nothing for the farmers. I am also knowing it because I have my own farming activity. I enjoy in farming activity. How much I spend for my diesel and my petrol and how every day I have to increase. Suddenly you are saying only 50 paisa more, 30 paisa more, 20 paisa more. It's absurd. It has never happened in the past. You don't even know how much you are going to pay for the petrol or diesel the next day. So this is the state of affairs. See what we did when union government increased their share of the passed on the other burden by increasing their share of taxes. Now, state government took a decision that we should ensure that this particular burden is not passed on to the consumers, to the common man particularly. So what did we do during our time? We decided to bear this certain portion of this price of petrol and diesel. If you recollect, we did that. We tried to give certain relief to the consumers. So this is how we actually look at. If government of India doesn't listen, then the state government should. That's the true advantage of being in a federal system that we have. Now, if the union government also have the same spirit, the state government also have the same spirit, then whom will you tell to bail us out? So we become helpless.